How to use Chrome Remote Desktop. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Chrome Remote Desktop. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on the first link that pops up, which is Chrome Remote Desktop official website, and then click on Access My Computer. After that, simply click on Set up Remote Access. After that, add to Chrome and your extension will be added. You'll find extension on puzzle like option on top. Simply pin the extension, which is Chrome Remote Desktop. After that, choose a name for your computer and then press on Next. After you have done that, enter a pin, re-enter a new pin again, and then click on Start. After you've clicked on Start, your password will be saved. After that, simply this device will show up. Open your phone, download Chrome Remote Desktop. After it's downloaded, log into your account. After you've logged into Chrome Remote Desktop on your phone, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on the laptop username you created earlier, enter the pin you created earlier. After that, you can simply access your laptop through phone using Chrome Remote Desktop. This is how to use Chrome Remote Desktop. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.